A train covers a distance of 90 kilometers at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the same journey. Find the original speed of the train. Let the original speed of the train be. Here, I'll consider let the original speed of the train I'll consider as x kilometers per hour. This problem I'll solve by using time formula. So time equals distance upon speed. So first equation is time equals distance is 90 and uniform speed is x. So this many hours. This is equation 1. Now second equation, see here, time, you'll leave some gap and write same as it is, 90 by x. Now see, if speed increases, then automatically what will happen, like time will get reduced. Or if speed reduces, then time will increase. So it is based on the question here, the told, had the speed had been 15 kilometers per hour more, then it would have taken 30 minutes less. Time is reduced by 30 minutes, so 30 by 60. So this is equation 2. Now see, this t value, I'll substitute over here and I'll solve, I'll get the answer. Like I'll get a quadratic equation, then I'll factorize. Now here, in place of t, here, in place of this t is 90 by x minus 30 by 60, 1 by 2 equals 90 by x plus 15. X plus 15. So here 90 by x, this I'll transpose here, this I'll take to the right side, minus 90 by x plus 15 equals 1 by 2. So if I'll take LCM here, LCM is x into x plus 15, and here 90 times x plus 15 minus 90x equals 1 by 2. So if I'll multiply here, numerator 90x, 90 times 15 or 15 times 9, 135 minus 90x by x square, x into x, x square plus 15x equals 1 by 2. 90x will get cancelled. So if I'll cross multiply, I'll get x square plus 15x equals 1350 into 2, that is 2700. So now here x square plus 15x minus 2700. Now we need to factorize this. See, 2700 factors, if you'll check, like with 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 40. Next 5 times 1, 0, 8, 2 times 20, 54, 3 times, otherwise you can do one more time, like 2 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 9 and 3 times 3. Now with the help of these factors, if you play with these factors, see, 5 times 9 we need 15. 5 times this 3 into 3, if you take 5 times 9, 45, and remaining is 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 45, 60, we'll get 15. So here the factors are 45, 60. Now see here, I need plus 15, so x square plus 60x minus 45x minus 2700 equals 0. Now here in the first two terms, if we'll take x common, x plus 60 minus 45 if we'll take common, x plus 60. Now again if we'll take x plus 60 if we'll take common, x plus 60, I'll be left with x minus 45. So now here x plus 60 equals 0 and the next value is x minus 45 equals 0. X equals minus 60, x equals 45, minus 45 will transpose plus 45. See, speed cannot be negative. So the correct answer is 45 kilometers per hour. So original speed of the train is 45 kilometers per hour. Now here, see once again, just roughly I'll explain here. This question actually they asked in like CBSE March 2026, February 2026, March 2026. So for 5 marks. So here see this problem I solved like, first I did like time equals distance by speed. So first I'll write the normal equation, that is time equals distance by speed. One more, 90 by x. Now here the total speed increases, then time reduces. This is the problem. The total question is only in this one line, like, and remaining all is based on like solving, getting a quadratic equation and simplifying. And here this I factorize this by splitting the middle term, this quadratic equation, or you can use the quadratic formula also, like if you want, that is like minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. With the help of this formula also you can find where a is 1, b is 15, c is minus 2700. So we can simplify with this also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.